So guys, this is how you can open your Mbank zero balance account in 4 easy steps. Start by downloading the Mbank app, then open this app and tap on open an account. Remember, Mbank is completely a zero balance account, and even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams, you can go ahead and open this account. So here, tap on the first option, which is sign up using UAE Pass. Tap on start, again tap on continue, and allow your Mbank app to open your UAE Pass. Simply allow UAE Pass to share your documents, that is your Emirates ID and your visa, with the Mbank app. Once that is done, your UAE Pass result will reveal all your personal details, information starting from your name, Emirates ID and other details within the Mbank app. Simply tap on continue to move on to the next step to confirm your identity by taking a selfie scan. So position your face in the camera frame and tap on take a selfie. Once you're satisfied with the quality, then tap on looks good. Our next step is providing our personal information. Start by providing your country of birth, your marital status, the number of kids you have, plus your monthly expenses. Set your mobile number as your customer ID by tapping on this yes button here below, and tap on continue to move on to the next step. Here, all you have to do is answer the tax declaration question and also select if you have any multiple citizenships. Alright, go ahead and enter your employment details, starting with your occupation, your company, plus your monthly salary. Tap on continue and then enter your residence address information. Agree to the terms and conditions. Select whether you have any other source of income apart from your salary. And that is it. We are ready to move on to the final step. Selecting the best account type. As you can see on the screen, we have the savings account, smart account, minor account, and a deposit account. Most people have been asking in the comments whether they should open a savings or a smart account. Both the savings and smart account are ideal for you, but what you want here is to open a smart account, which is free for life. So tap on the smart account. As you can see, we have 3 membership levels for this account: the gold membership, the platinum membership, and the diamond membership. Select the gold membership, which is free for life and has no minimum balance requirement at all. This is all you need to do, and your account opening request will be submitted automatically. Wait for 2 business days for your account to get activated. But here is something very important you need to keep in mind. This Mbank account with the smart option is completely a zero balance account, but has some hidden fees you have to watch out for. First and foremost, you'll be charged 26 dirhams for issuing a new physical debit card. So don't be surprised if you see a minus 26 dirhams once your account is activated. That is, if you have ordered for a physical debit card. And most importantly, avoid account inactivity fees, which will occur in case you open this account but you don't use it. To avoid this, simply keep 500 in your Mbank account or make a transaction every 3 months. So guys, that is how you open your Mbank zero balance account in 4 easy steps. Use your UAE Pass, verify your face scan, provide your personal information, and then select your account type, which should be a smart account. And also remember to choose the gold membership, which is free for life. Thank you.